How to increase music time on Snapchat. So, first of all, launch Snapchat app on your mobile devices. From here, you can simply long tap on the circle in order to record a video, or simply tap on it in order to take a snap. Then, you can go ahead and tap on the song icon. From here, you can simply choose a music according to your choice. Then tap on Done, or else you can tap on the scissors icon. From here, you can set the part of the music you wish to add. You can set a certain limit of the song. There's no such inbuilt feature on Snapchat that will allow you to increase the length of a song. Then once you tap on this Done icon, you'll see a timer icon at the right-hand side. If you tap on it, you can set certain durations for your snap. So if you tap on this infinity icon, your snap will be played again and again until the other user closes it. So with that, the song will also be played. So this is the step you can follow on Snapchat. Unfortunately, there's no such inbuilt feature that will allow you to increase the length of the song. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.